All right, so this is a tutorial for Caleb on how to mail a letter. Let's say I'm going to mail this letter and I need to put it in this envelope, right? It's a regular standard 10 size envelope. I'm going to put the recipient's name, street address, city, state, and zip. Make sure you have the comma between the two, and with the state you can always use the abbreviation. Every state has a 2-letter abbreviation, and then the zip code. Up here in the corner, obviously you're going to put your name, street address, city, state, and zip, and then here you're going to put the stamp. You can get a book of stamps like this. They come in packs of 20, or I have a roll of stamps that I use. That's a roll of 100. You obviously don't need 100, but you're going to take off the stamp, obviously, and put it right up here in the corner. I'm going to fold this properly. You're going to fold it in thirds, and then I'm going to put it in here, seal it. This one actually has a self-seal where I just peel off the self-seal, stick it, and then I'm going to stick it in the mail. You can take it to the post office or any drop box. If you need to mail something certified, which means it's something legal, that you need to get a receipt back that the person had received your envelope, you have to go to the post office, wait in line, and send it certified mail. That is probably, I'm really not sure how much, maybe a couple dollars to do that. Remember, a stamp nowadays are 55 cents, so it's 55 cents to mail your envelope. All right, good luck.